I'm here, Indian Motorcycle, St. Paul, getting my first modification of the Indian Pursuit. And the service here, Amanda herself cleans the bike. She said that she didn't want to take pictures of a dirty bike. So
dirty unicorn.
You can't have a dirty unicorn. I thought unicorns liked to get dirty. You guys, this is my first modification and also my scariest modification that I will be doing to the Indian Pursuit or Challenger, whatever the hell you call it. All right. I'll show you guys what the bike looks like right now. So yeah, little something just feels missing right here. Yeah, we'll see. I've said scariest, and Travis was asking me why is it the scariest change I've ever made, and it's because I have 40,000 miles essentially on the Power Plus Challenger Pursuit platforms, and I've always had stock bars. And you always hear horror stories of people getting bars and you don't like them and whatever, but I'll say that I've always felt cool when I've used high bars. So it's really weird about these. They're either great reviews or horrible reviews on these bars. That's what you've heard too?
Yeah.
It's great or horrible, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so check it out, guys. First look at the new bars. They're the miter bars. You know, I was gonna make this an install video, but I'll just bring it to Travis. Let him do it. It actually looks easy, so you don't have to take the gas tank off.
You don't have to unless like you're doing air filter or stuff like that.
Which we did. We did the K&N.
It's a lot easier if you do remove it.
Yeah.
Less room for air, scratches, stuff like that. But that top centerpiece you can take off and just pretty much like kind of wedge it out that way.
But you can scratch your stuff if you do it that way.
Yeah, if you're not careful or stuff like that. Yeah, you definitely.
I'm leaving. I'm still gonna rock the same mirrors. Everything else is gonna be the same. We're just transferring it over. Pretty chill. You do that so it doesn't move off.
Yeah, and just keeps everything intact. You know, doesn't come off. You know, whatnot.
This is how professionals do it, guys. Like real sexy music right here. Yeah, and just like show your handwork. Do you use an air gun to?
Yep. Well, unboxing is the hardest part.
Yeah. Look. see if it light. I mean, it looks pretty cool. Like it has added a look to the inner fairing.
The sound barrier or insulation.
Yeah.
You know, whatever.
If my audio system needs it, that's a whole nother thing. There's some spots here to just show you guys. So yeah, that's done. Bitchin', Klockwerks. I don't know if it's just the bars, but it just feels taller. Yeah, I don't know. Seems like I'm gonna be putting my fucking arms like way up here. I don't know. Weird. Look at her. Look at her. Oh. You guys can kind of see a little bit of the reflection. Hey, what's up? This is a Tyson. Look at her. Alrighty, check it out. Holy shit. So the look of it, I kind of like the look of it a lot. I mean, that's your own thing. I'm keeping my mirrors. It is higher. Here, you want to video me?
Yeah.
Oh, show the world, like. So it's gonna be here, which is way different than like, what stock would you say right here, probably?
Yeah, about there.
Somewhere in here. So, but yeah, I can go full lock both ways. It feels pretty good. The mirrors are all right. I don't know. I haven't rode it yet, really. We did a test ride to just make sure they were functional, and the bike's turned, so that was good.
It's always a good thing.
It's a good thing, yeah. And it stopped and it went, and no weird shaking or anything like that. So, Travis,
Yep.
thank you for coming in. It's pretty quiet around here. I don't know why. Maybe it'd be a day off for you or something.
Yeah, it's something like that. Sunday. I think I skipped church for this.
Yeah. This is church. I don't know. So, thank you. I'm gonna review them like when I'm driving home because I got shit to do too today.
Yeah, right.
I want to thank you guys. The little bit of overlook that we did was awesome. Come see Travis. He's going to be the main guy working on my bike, I think. Not I think. We know that.
Yeah, we
this
already
is
know that.
true. Yeah. More stuff to come, you know, a little bit more. But it's pretty quiet, so we're going to have to probably change that. And that speed limiter feels a little weird. So we might have to change that.
Yeah.
We have some things to change. But first things first, we did the bars, actually. And then service.
Yeah, your first service on it, and then the Dynamat in the fairing.
Yeah, Klockwerks Dynamat, yep. And I'll review that going down the road. Also, I tested it on the way here, so we'll see if it makes a difference. I don't know. Luckily, people, check it out. I got my bike is done. So I wanted you to be able to hear me with the new bars. You guys can see those pretty clearly, I would assume. The hands are up a little higher, but I wanted to turn the radio up, let you guys hear it. Let's see what you guys think. My visor's open. So again, everybody's like wooing on. Don't tell me what's wrong when you don't care. I think this one is. Come on, drop it in. I don't know this song. Come on, drop, baby, and drop. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I think Brian Klock was right when he said it's better. So the other things that the other thing that we did was the K&N air filter, the dynamic. Of course, I did a break-in oil change. Got that whole service done. Klockwerks Dynamat kit for the Challenger Super Chill. It's all peeled and stick, the whole thing. And then the big thing is these bars. First time. Let me turn this down. I think it's better because it's really hard for me to talk. But yeah, I like the bars. These bars are a big deal. I like the mirrors. I think they go good with the bars. These are kind of like straighter edges. Yeah, how about turn up this music? I'm gonna enjoy. I'm gonna get a better feel of these bars. Jeff Baca, you always ask me if I take my hands off the handlebars. I'm doing fifth. I'm doing. Here we go. 55, 58, 6. Oh yeah, nothing. It's perfect, guys. It's freaking perfect. So, all right. I'm gonna turn this up. I'm gonna throw it back to myself and Travis. Indian motorcycle, St. Paul. I don't know. Luckily, the exhaust is so quiet that it shouldn't really bother.
No, you'll definitely know. You'll definitely be able to hear it.
Cool.
That's for sure.
All right, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, anytime, buddy.
And that was this ride. I'm about to go check it out. You guys know what I think of it. I'm gonna end this like I always do. Ride hard. Oh, my eyebrows out, dude. You gotta tell me when I'm not on point right now.
You think I'm on point? I'm in sweatpants.
Dude, I don't know.
Man.
You see my new shirt though?
Yeah.
Here, check out this new shirt though. It's pretty badass. It's one of Indian's new shirts.
That's from the fall collection.
The
right?
fall collection.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. I don't know how I got this, but
Must know some people.
they must know.
Yeah, I'll have to get in on that.
Yeah, I'll hook you up. So anyway, ride hard, ride fast. I had somebody you don't know. Peace.
I just need to get it off my chest. Yeah, more than you know, yeah, more than you know. You should know that, baby, you're the best. Yeah, more than you know, yeah, more than you know. I saw it coming from miles away. I better speak up if I got something to say. I say it over until she said. You had your reasons, you had a few, but you know that I would go anywhere for you. 'Cause it ain't over until she said. I just need to get it off my chest.